Let's talk about two ways to build your credit. You have credit cards and then you also have loans. First up are credit cards. We all know what a credit card is. They're perfect for everyday buys like groceries or a cup of coffee. But have you heard of secured credit cards? They're like your normal credit card, but they come with a safety net. You put down a deposit as collateral, and in return, you now have the flexibility of a credit card. And with a secured credit card, you can also enjoy perks like travel benefits, purchase protection, and rewards. Now, the best part is some issuers may even boost your credit limit or turn it into an unsecured credit card over time. All right, let's talk about loans, specifically credit builder loans. You can think of these as savings plans for your credit score. That's because the lender holds the loan amount in a savings account until the loan is paid off. Now, these credit builder loans are fantastic if you want to save money while building or rebuilding your credit score. Plus, you might not even need a credit check, and you could potentially pay less in interest than a secured credit card without having to worry about that upfront deposit. So whether it's a credit card or a credit builder loan, both are great tools to help you build your credit by showing that you're responsible with your money. So choose the one that suits your situation and get started on your credit building journey today.